How to delete all liked videos on YouTube at once. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can delete all your liked videos on YouTube at once. Now, to delete all liked videos on YouTube at once, what you want to do is first open up the YouTube app and you'll get an interface like this. As you can see on the screen, now tap on your profile icon at the top right corner of your screen, and here you'll get the option help and feedback. You can see that on the screen. Just tap on it. And what you want to do here is tap on send feedback option that you can see at the bottom. And once you do this, just tap on get started. And here you'll be able to send a feedback to YouTube. Now what you want to do is tell the issue here. I'll just suggest you to type in whatever I've typed in here. I've written here, hello team YouTube, my YouTube account was hacked a few days ago and the hacker liked a lot of videos from my account. Now I have gained access to my account, but those liked videos are still there, so can you please help me to unlike all those videos at once, and thanks. So basically you tell YouTube that your account was hacked and somebody else liked a lot of videos from your account and now you want to unlike all of them. So and send it, and after you do this, basically after 24 to 48 hours, YouTube should probably delete all your liked videos from your list. So this way you can delete all liked videos on YouTube at once. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.